CKL Developments, we're a race and restoration company based in East Sussex, specialising in British sports cars of historic importance, if you like. So we look after some of the high value Jaguars, for example. Our sort of USP is that once they've, if they've had a bad crash at somewhere like Goodwood, for example, which can happen, we're the guys that you come to have it repaired without replacing any of the panel work. Almost like a piece of tinfoil that you've screwed up into a ball. Yep. We'll uncrumple it and iron it out so that you retain as much of that original material as possible, because that is so important with the history of these cars. Sterling Moss drove them back at Le Mans. That's what's exciting about these cars. It's the history that comes with the car. Helped initiate the Heritage Skills Academy apprenticeship programme, so I've got loads of apprentices. And I always say to people, it's a passion-driven industry. So you've got to be passionate about it. It takes a huge amount of your time, energy, difficult on family life. You've really got to be in it because you love it. And part of the love is seeing these cars carry on going into the future, right? You've got to look at these cars as their entire life. Some of these cars have been around for 100 years plus. Over that span, they're really quite carbon neutral. They're not a throwaway item. Cars nowadays are throwaway items. The way the industry is led is that you have a car for 2 or 3 years and then it goes into a scrappage scheme. You're incentivised to throw a car away. These cars, over their life have done hundreds of thousands of miles and they're still going. The industry is worth a huge sum of money. So it's a big market. Long may it continue.